Ever wonder why you're hustling nonstop scrolling between work emails and TikToks, but your bank account still feels allergic to growth? Like, no matter how hard you grind, you're just stuck in the same place? They told us, go to college, get a job, live your best life. But reality hit different: student loans, rent, side hustles just to survive. We were sold a dream, but no one mentioned the fine print. But here's the twist. What if the system wants you confused about money? What if being broke isn't your fault, but staying broke is? The game's been rigged, but you can still play smarter. Because if you don't start learning money moves now, you'll wake up at 30 still chasing paychecks instead of purpose. Doing nothing? That's the most expensive choice you'll ever make. Hey besties, I'm Sophia, your big sis in finance. Welcome to Sophia Cash Channel, where we're all about helping you glow up financially. Hit that subscribe, give this video a like, and join our glow up journey together. Quick disclaimer, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm your internet bestie sharing what I've learned. This is for education only. In this video, we're breaking down 7 money moves that Gen Z girls can start today to build their dream life. No millionaire parents required. Let's dive in. Before you start making money moves, babe, you gotta know exactly where you stand. It's not about shame or stress, it's about clarity. Think of it like checking your map before starting an adventure. Your cash flow is basically your vibe check. If more money's leaving than coming in, girl, that's a red flag. Start by listing what you earn, what you spend, and what you save. Awareness is your first financial flex. Knowing your worth isn't just about money, it's about confidence. When you understand your numbers, you walk different. You stop stressing and start strategizing. Because you finally get that you're the CEO of your own life. Like Oprah said, the biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. But girl, dreams need budgets too. When you track your money, you're not limiting yourself. You're setting yourself free. Budgeting isn't punishment, bestie, it's your power move. It's not about cutting joy, it's about choosing what truly makes you glow. When you take control of your money, you're literally giving yourself permission to live your best life. Okay, here's the simple truth. The 50-30-20ths rule is your glow-up formula. That's 50% needs, 30% wants, and 20% savings. Keep it easy, no spreadsheets, just vibes and awareness. Imagine this. You're out at brunch, ordering your favorite iced latte guilt-free. Why? Because you planned for it. Budgeting gives you that peace of mind freedom that makes every sip taste richer. Remember what Warren Buffett said? Don't save what's left after spending. Spend what's left after saving. That's the real glow-up mindset. Babe, saving first, flexing later. One paycheck is cute until it ghosts you. Seriously, relying on just one income in this economy is like texting your ex and expecting stability. Let's be real, we need backup plans that pay. What if you made just $100 a week from your passion project? That's over $5,000 a year, like hello Bali trip, or maybe your dream small business fund. Small moves, big glow up, bestie. That's your travel fund, your business startup cash, your I'm out of here money. Every extra dollar gives you freedom to say no, to walk away, to dream bigger without fear. As Beyoncé says, I don't like to gamble. But if there's one thing I'm willing to bet on, it's myself, sis. Your side hustle isn't just extra cash. It's proof that you believe in your own power. Okay, bestie, real talk, if your money's just sitting in your account, it's literally losing value. Inflation's out here eating your savings for breakfast. So let's make that cash get off the couch and start working for you. Here's the glow-up secret. Investing isn't some Wall Street mystery. It's literally just giving your money a job so it works 24/7, even when you're scrolling TikTok or on your soft girl vacation. Let's do some quick math, babe. Even $100 a month can grow into thousands over time, all thanks to compound interest. Think of it like your money having babies, and those babies having more babies. It's giving generational wealth energy. So yeah, investing isn't just for dudes in suits. It's for the girl who wants peace, freedom, and that soft life glow by 30. Because being financially confident? That's the real main character energy. Girl, let's talk about credit, not the scary kind. Think of it as your adult report card that shows how responsible you are with money. The higher your score, the more freedom you get. Better apartments, cheaper cars, and peace of mind. Your credit score isn't a mystery, it's just numbers that tell a story about your habits. Pay your bills on time, keep your balances low, and boom, your score starts to glow up like your skin after skincare. Good credit isn't just about numbers, it's your ticket to more choices. Imagine walking into a car dealership or apartment viewing knowing you've got power. That's the soft life energy we want, calm, confident, and unbothered. Like Will Smith said, money and success don't change people. They amplify what's already there. So let's amplify the smart, confident version of you who knows the game and wins it every time. You know what's wild? Most of us grow up thinking money is something we have to chase. But girl, money is just energy. It flows where your focus goes. If you're always thinking I'm broke, that's exactly what you'll attract. If you think you'll always be broke, you'll always act broke, panic spending, saying yes to everything, feeling guilty about every dollar. But when you think I got options, your brain finds creative ways to grow. That's the abundance switch, sis. Abundance isn't about having everything. It's about knowing you deserve everything good coming your way. It's choosing peace over panic, confidence over chaos. When you believe you're worthy, the universe literally rearranges to meet you halfway. Tony Robbins said it best, where focus goes, energy flows. So focus on growth, girl. Every time you choose gratitude, invest in yourself, or set a boundary, you're literally raising your money energy. That's how you level up. Your dream life isn't random, bestie, it's designed. You get to create it, not just wish for it. Every choice you make with your money is a step closer to your glow-up life. Let's talk goals. 1 year, 5 years, 10 years. Start small. Maybe paying off that card, saving for Bali, or building your first business. These mini wins, they stack up to your dream reality. Now imagine this, waking up, coffee in hand, sunlight kissing your face, and your money is out there working while you chill. That's financial freedom, babe. Peace, not panic. Discipline is your bridge, queen. The small habits you repeat daily, budgeting, saving, investing, turn your dream life into your real life. You've got the blueprint. Now, go build it. We covered the 7 moves to master your money, knowing your worth, budgeting, side hustles, investing, credit, mindset, and your dream plan. If you're serious about glowing up financially, smash that like, subscribe, and share this with your bestie who needs a money wake-up call. Drop in the comments, what's your #1 money move for 2025? Let's talk about it. I read every comment. I'm Sophia from Sophia Cash Channel, helping you glow up financially. Remember, your dream life isn't out of reach. It's just one smart move away. See you in the next video, bestie.